Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best longboard bearings for speed in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Bones Reds Longboard Bearings. These precision bearings offer a smooth ride and are designed to help you achieve fast speeds without incurring an excess of vibrations. Compatible with the vast majority of longboard wheels, they work with the standard 8mm axle to slide efficiently into place. Coming with spacers that are cut using precise machining technology, you can get a fine-tuned fit with these bearings. It's calibrated to an exactness of 0.2 mm. The bearings are sealed effectively and work together to limit the friction amount without adding bulk or weight drastically. Powerful and reliable, these fast travel bearings earn this honorable mention. While the set comes with an installation tool, it might not be the best way to install the bearings. Also, keep in mind that if the rubber on the bearings is punctured, the whole bearing will fail. Number 2. Our second best pick is Yellow Jacket Premium Bearings. Take a look at this model bearings, which are designed for high performance and are a great value. Made in Germany, these precision bearings are made using top quality steel. This, on its own, facilitates a reduction in friction necessary to offer a smooth travel experience. The steel is fortified by the colorful rubber seals, found both on the inside and outside of the bearing, preventing everything from stray dust to moisture from entering the bearing system. Since even a small bit of dust can cause issues and interfere with functionality, this feature is critical. Sleek in design and valuable on the road, these bearings are a premium option. It's worth noting that these bearings aren't a universal design, rather, they fit specific models based on the size and structure. Be sure that your board is compatible before making your pick. Also, they are vulnerable to rust and corrosion. As always, the stingers come with 7 different color seals for customization and protection from dirt, rocks, dust, to lengthen the life of the bearing and maintain precision. The steel used for Yellow Jacket stingers is the highest-end steel available in the world. The precision and smoothness of their spin cannot be matched by any other bearing. Number 3. Our third best pick is Heady Shake Pro Longboard Bearings. If you are focused on the thrill of the ride, this model skateboard bearings can help you reach rapid speeds without suffering from unpleasant vibrations. The bearings are designed with a stylish exterior, adding a slight metallic gleam to your board. The package includes 8 bearings and 4 spacers, which gives you enough to completely overhaul your longboard. Each of the bearings uses a series of chrome-heavy steel balls encased in a nylon wall. With a gold-colored titanium ring, both inside and outside the bearing, you benefit from the sturdy design and a smooth ride. Meant for a high spinning velocity, these bearings are pre-lubricated to enhance the overall longboarding experience. While these bearings are handy, they can pose a moderate challenge during installation. Take your time during setup to make sure that they attach to your longboard correctly. Also, they can rust if exposed to moisture. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Zealous bearings for longboards. These bearings for longboards make a suitable replacement part for your board's front or rear. Coming in a pair, you can efficiently swap out the bearings for these well-lubricated parts. And the lubrication is where they really shine. The bearings incorporate nano-ceramic materials to drastically limit friction and give you a smooth ride. Sealed with a powerful and thick rubber material, these wheels aren't vulnerable to weather damage. You can use the longboard rain or shine without fretting over whether the ambient humidity will damage the bearings. Reliable and durable, these bearings are a good way to go. Keep in mind that these bearings only come in a set of 2. Since it is better to replace all the bearings in your ride simultaneously, this can leave you short in terms of parts. Also, they are vulnerable to heat and old. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Fireball Dragon Precision Bearings. These bearings are crafted using a lubricant specifically meant to keep working over lengthy periods. It creates a low friction point of contact between the bearings, facilitating a smooth ride. Also cutting down on wear and tear, these bearings fortify the interior with a tight seal and firm walls. Made out of high-grade steel, the exterior won't get damaged in the event of an impact, like you jumping on the board. The seals on the bearings are precisely fitted, meaning there is no entrance point for debris or water particles. Instead, the bearings perform consistently, giving you a smooth ride at fast or slow paces. While these bearings should be reasonably straightforward to install, they don't come with a tool to do the job. Another thing to keep in mind during installation is that the seal can rupture during the process, so be careful. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.